Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can use your WhatsApp account on two separate phones. So let's dive in. Now, as we know, you cannot access two WhatsApp accounts, two WhatsApp devices with one account. So what you have to do is you can go ahead to your Chrome browser and you can use WhatsApp web to scan a QR code with your main mobile device, and you can use your two devices, one with your main account and the other one with WhatsApp web. So all you have to do is go ahead and search for WhatsApp web. You can download the WhatsApp web app, and the next thing you have to do is search for the QR code and scan it with your phone, and you can use two devices with one WhatsApp account. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.